good, guys? Welcome back to another fire video, and in this video we're going to talk about how you can make $1,000 per day with affiliate marketing. So let's get it. Basically, first tip, and I like to keep things faster paced, okay, so I can teach you guys and make you guys learn as much as possible very quickly. Most people like to drag on, but now I'm just going to give the value straight and quick, okay, so that's what I'm going to do. No intros, no b-roll, no music, just me and you as real as it comes. Okay, so first tip, treat affiliate marketing like a business, not just, oh, a one-off campaign, I'm going to set up a landing page and send them to one offer. You got to treat this thing like a business, and you got to pick a niche. And this is very generic, this is cliche at this point, right? Pick a niche, everyone's like, oh, pick a niche. I'm telling you right now, if you just pick a niche and go all in on that niche, you'll be financially free forever. Literally, all you have to do is pick a niche, monetize it in as many ways as possible, set up your one funnel and drive traffic every day. That's your #1 income producing activity. You're set, okay? This is what we're going to do. We're going to build our funnel, okay? Build funnel. And I'll show you an example how to build a funnel, what it should look like, and your main goals there, and talk about the back end a little bit. And then you have a full-blown business and you're ready to go, okay? Next we're going to talk about traffic. Alright, and tips there. And that's all you need, bro. Just drive traffic once you have this funnel set up, okay? And you pick your niche. So let's say your niche is video games, okay? We're going to pick the niche of video games. Okay, I'm going to be honest with you, I plan on making a Clickbank product in the video game niche, since it's the biggest niche on YouTube, and where most people get traffic is actually YouTube. It's one of the best traffic sources out there. Probably the best. So much volume, so many people. YouTube pushes your content out there to people. You can put tons of links in the description. Super powerful, okay? So, anyways, I plan on doing that, but video games is a great niche. Next, you build a funnel, okay? So what's your funnel gonna look like? Let's build it out. So you got opt-in page, that's it. And I highly recommend ClickFunnels. You can get that down in the description. I highly recommend Aweber. I highly recommend, if you're doing paid traffic, to have a tracker, and that would be ClickMagic. Okay, so moving on. Next is, so you got the opt-in. Now you've got to have the upsell, okay? And I say upsell because this is not an affiliate product, as you can see. This is your own product, okay? And it's going to be low ticket to get them in the door. Okay, low ticket, you want to optimize this as much as possible because this gets you buying customers, okay? So, and you can have order bumps because ClickFunnels lets you have order bumps, okay? Put this one between 30 to 100 bucks as the order bump. Right here is the upsell, which is basically after the free thing. So you give me something free here. And everyone wants something free, just stack value. Don't give one thing for free. This is your business. You want people to come in and the opt-in rate to be 100%. So, you want it to be at least 99%. Some people won't be interested in video games who reached it or something. But anyways, you want to just stack as much as you can here. You want to have an upsell here. And then right here, you want to have a mid-ticket upsell. Okay? And this upsell is mid-ticket. It's going to be like 50 to 250 bucks. Okay? And then right here, you're going to have a high ticket. And this is where you really profit. Alright, you guys can actually do this without paid traffic. I teach paid traffic is the fastest way to get results. Also, with a funnel like this, you can get results, and hopefully, if you optimize correctly and you do everything I teach, you can be profitable on the first try, okay? So anyways, your high ticket's going to be between 300 and 1,000 plus, okay? So that's your high ticket, and it's one-click upsell, okay? And then what you want to have is a membership, membership, so recurring. That's what that is, recurring, and a membership. Okay, that's what you want there. Whoops, memberships. Memberships is good. But recurring is the lifeblood of your business. You're going to get that monthly income every month, and then this is sales. So one-time sales, very important. And then, guess what? Your main affiliate offers is the back end, bro. And then your high ticket, which most people won't take, is your back end as well, okay? So we're going to talk about back end now. Alright, so your back end, you just do what you think. If you don't want to get the courses on how to increase your conversion rates like crazy that I have, or how to increase your click-through rates and all that stuff, you can just do what you think, okay? But you can make it work, I'm sure. High ticket and affiliate offers. Okay, affiliate offers there. That's your back end. Also, you could send them to the thank you page and promote an affiliate offer here. Affiliate offer right there, okay? So that is your funnel. Now you have your funnel set up. Now what we want to do is drive traffic. Now how are we going to drive traffic? We're going to use YouTube. Okay, and I highly recommend building a personal brand. You can leverage that in many areas, not just making money in your funnel, but other areas, and also networking and stuff like that. So YouTube, boom. Instagram. Okay, you want to use Facebook. You want to use Pinterest. You want to use Twitter. And I say all of them because, dude, you want to be omnipresent. So let's say you make one video for YouTube, and that's where you should start this content recycling strategy. You start with YouTube, you turn that YouTube video and cut it up to be an Instagram and a Facebook and a Pinterest and a Twitter, okay, whatever you can do. You share on Twitter, you share on Pinterest, you have posts on Twitter which you can link to your YouTube videos or whatever. You could do that, okay? And then in every single YouTube video, just link to your funnel. One link, okay? Not too many links. And also link to other YouTube videos, because that's how YouTube works. Make sure you optimize for high watch time, high click-through rate for YouTube. That's ultimately where you're going to get the most traffic from, so I'm telling you this stuff right now. I won't dive too deep into the other ones, but what's another one? You could have a blog. Blogs kind of stink, okay? Just so you know. But anyways, what else? That's what I like to use. If you want to do paid traffic, you can have paid traffic. Okay, and remember my first tip in this whole video, I said, treat your business like a business. It's a business, not just a campaign. So you pick your niche, that's your business. You make your funnel, that's your business, and then drive traffic every day. So you're making content every day, all right? And then you are driving traffic when you have the money. If you have the money, you could drive traffic, okay? And you're gonna know your numbers, and so it's even easier if you've been doing free traffic, then you know your numbers. Okay, 5,000 people reached the opt-in, certain amount went in, certain amount took this, and then my back end made this much, and here's the total lifetime value over 6 months period of time, and that's my total worth to my customer. Here's how much I can spend on advertising, cost to acquire a customer. Here's my average order value. There you go, that's how much you're gonna spend to acquire customers into your business. All right, and that's really it. And you see a lot of people doing this, but they're not doing it right. And I just told you the whole funnel and stuff that you can do right now. There's more into it, obviously. Like you could do downsells, and then like how you sell stuff, and then sales copy, and then other strategies, growth hacking, etc. But that's good for now. All right, I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.